Good morning. Today we're making an apple and cinnamon yogurt. Hope you enjoy the video. So we will need some Chobani plain yogurt, whole milk in this case, an apple, and some ground cinnamon. 4 tablespoons of yogurt in there to form base. There's the first. Second's a massive scoop here. Three in there. Four scoops been added. Gonna give it a bit of a mix here. Here's the diced apple that we just diced before. Gonna add it in here. There's the apples mixed up. And I'll see when the cinnamon's added on top. Apple and cinnamon yogurt here. It's got the apples, it's got the yogurt, it's got the cinnamon on top. Hope you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all later. Bye.